Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be walking you through this Dewalt impact driver. This is model number DCF887. So we're just going to be showing you the basic features of this and how to install a bit. It's going to be a real quick video because there's not much to these impact drivers. So the first thing, we'll just show you how to remove the battery. To do that, press this button in, pull right out, and then to reinstall, you just line up these grooves with these notches. Push until you hear the click. Now your battery's in. So now moving up the tool, you can see this is a 3-speed impact. 1 being the lowest, then 2, then 3 being the highest. So now we'll go up, here's your trigger. And then when this button right here on the left side is pressed in, your impact's in reverse. When you flip it over, press that button, that switches it over to forward. And then when the button is halfway in between both, that's your safety. So if you're transporting it and you don't want it to turn on, if you have it in your car or something, just put that in the middle and then your trigger won't engage. So now we'll show you how to install a bit. To do that, it's very simple. Pull up, put your bit in, close it, and then you can see your bit's locked in place. And then to remove it, you just pull up, remove your bit, and you're good to go. And yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's the Dewalt DCF887 impact driver. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I go through a bunch of other tool videos on it and a bunch of other DIY videos. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.